Hello and welcome to the quick method. So let's talk about how you can delete your Instagram account easily and quickly. So let's get started. And if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking to this channel. Thank you. Okay, so you need to open your Instagram app. Okay, so my Instagram app is open now. And on the top right corner, you will see these three lines or bars. You just tap on them. Okay, now you have to go into the first option, that is the account centers. So tap on that and then go into the personal details under account settings. So tap on that and here you will see account ownership and control. So I would just tap on that as well. Okay, now you can see there are two options, and deactivation or deletion under one button. So just open that. Now here it will ask you to select the Instagram account you want to delete. You might have multiple accounts signed in on one mobile, but for this case I have only one account. I just select the account I have. Okay, here you have two kind of options. So either you can temporarily deactivate the account and then you will be able to reactivate it through this account center again by logging into your Instagram account. So which means is that every detail about your profile will be hidden for temporary basis until you log it back. So this is the deactivate account, and then if you want to permanently delete this account, then you select this option. So it will basically delete every post and reel permanently from your account and you will not be able to get it back. So make a decision before doing that, and then you just have to press continue and it will ask you the reason why you are doing, and then it will ask you about your password. So let's say I select that, I continue, and now it will ask me about my password. So if I put the correct password here, so then it will be done. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing and liking to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.